Hi friends, myself Parmar Pankaj. You are welcome in Technology Tools. In this video, I will show you how we can fill carbon in any laser printer toner cartridge in just 5 minutes. Let's start. Step 1. Get the tools or things listed here. Step 2. Find the back side of the carbon chamber of your toner cartridge and make a mark between. Step 3. Make a hole using soldering iron on the marked part. Put a small funnel on the hole and fill approximate 100 gram carbon powder or toner in carbon chamber. Step 5. After filling carbon chamber, remove the funnel. Step 6. Clean that part exactly using a piece of cloth. Step 7. And pack the carbon chamber hole properly with electrical tape and cello tape. cartridge normally. Save money by this and print out maximum pages for students. Happy cheapest printing to you. If you have not subscribed this channel, subscribe this for such latest video updates. See you again with a new video.